loud music, even louder colors, and of course that perfect wake. You guessed it, we're talking about ski boat. Tubing, wakeboarding, skiing, the list goes on, and you can do whatever type of water sport you want and even change your wake depending on what you're doing. These boats are meant to be fun, extravagant, seen and heard with all sorts of different color patterns and sound systems that are like nothing you've ever heard before. Boats that are meant for skiing are always going to be inboard powered, while you can ski behind some boats that do have outboard power. It'll just typically require some sort of bridle system or a ski pole. If your idea of the perfect day out on the water revolves around water sports, then a ski boat is the boat for you.